Measure between common and the relevant control terminal to confirm whether the thermostat is actually calling for fan, heat, or cooling by checking for the expected 24 to 29 volts alternating current signal. First, turn off power at the service disconnect for safety. Then remove the thermostat cover to access wires. Verify the red power conductor is present and delivering 24 to 29 volts alternating current at the thermostat or at the system control board between the red and common terminals using a multimeter set to AC volts. Next, restore power and set the thermostat to call for the specific function. Set fan to on for the fan circuit, raise the set point for heating, and lower the set point for cooling. Measure voltage between common and the corresponding terminal at the control board. Green for fan, white for heat, yellow for cooling, to see if 24 to 29 volts alternating current is present when a call is active. If the expected voltage is present at the thermostat but absent at the board, trace the conductor for continuity and check terminal screws and wire nuts for corrosion or looseness. If voltage is present at the board but the equipment does not operate, check safety interlocks such as furnace door switches, float switches, and condensate switches that can interrupt the circuit. Use a magnetic jumper or a shorting clip across common and the desired call terminal at the control board to simulate a thermostat call when the system is powered. If the equipment runs with the jumper, the issue is upstream at the thermostat or its wiring. When measuring, hold meter probes steady and avoid creating shorts. If readings fluctuate, use the meter's hold function or average multiple readings, and always confirm correct meter function with a known 24-volt alternating current source before trusting measurements. Keep a service log of measured voltages, thermostat modes, and any corrective steps so that patterns are easier to spot on repeat issues. Common mistakes include measuring with the system powered off, which yields no diagnostic information and can lead to false conclusions. Always measure with power on after initial safety checks. Another frequent error is using the meter in direct current mode or the wrong voltage range. Ensure the meter is set to alternating current volts and an appropriate range for 24 to 29 volts to avoid misleading readings. A third issue is relying only on thermostat display behavior instead of confirming conductor voltage at the control board. If the board does not see the call, inspect wiring, terminal continuity, and safety interlocks, and use a jumper to isolate whether the fault is the thermostat, wiring, or equipment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local HVAC contractors and provides contractor profiles, reviews, and estimates to help choose a qualified technician for follow-up diagnostics or repairs. Contractors can use the platform to find local leads, manage inquiries, and grow their client base for service calls and installations.